This video is about choosing your video clips for Task 2 instruction. Step 1 is to just review your videos. You're going to find a quiet time to sit and view all of the videos that you've captured. And then step 2 is to look for the best sections in your videos. You can use the provided chart to track the following teaching strategies. This is what you're looking for in your videos. Examples of when you promoted a positive learning environment, including respect, how you showed respect, rapport, and responsiveness, how the children showed you respect, and how they showed rapport with you and with each other. The second thing is how you engaged children in learning. How did you use active multimodal learning? Pick a couple examples of where you did a good job with that. Also, a couple of examples of how you linked to children's development, to their prior learning, and their personal, cultural, and community assets. Look for all three of those and see if you can find examples of when you did a good job with that. The third thing you're going to look for is how you deepened children's learning, including how you elicited and built on children's responses. So maybe examples of when you asked the children a question, someone answered, and you asked them to expand on what they said, or ask them for more details or to go deeper. And then secondly, how you made interdisciplinary connections. The best example is when you actually say to the students, today we're going to learn about science by reading or by writing. Or today we're going to connect art and reading by creating our own illustrations. Something along that line where you're connecting reading and writing to another discipline. And then the fourth thing is any instances in which you would change your teaching. There's going to be a question that asks what you would do differently. So if you find any instances of things that maybe didn't go as well as you expected them to and that you might change. Okay, so now you should have a list of different points in your videos, different lessons and different points in your videos in which you did those really good strategies. Now you're going to narrow it down to 2 sections. Choose one section that you did with whole group that had a lot of examples of those good strategies, and choose one clip of small group when you were working with a small group in which you use those strategies. The strategies can be shown in either whole group or small group. It doesn't have to be both, either one. You're going to try to find 2 sections that total 15 minutes, but either section can be no less than 3 minutes. So I would recommend, looking for sections of your video that are maybe 5 to 8 minutes long, and choose one from whole group and one from small group. And again, you're going to find the sections with your best teaching. You're going to use that chart that you made to find the sections that you did a really good job. And then step 4, you're going to cut those 2 sections. You're going to create 2 video files. You're going to label your files Task 2 whole group video and Task 2 small group video. And then you're going to submit the 2 video files with your Task 2 reflection paper. So again, it's only going to be those 2 files that total 15 minutes. If necessary, if you find that your video files won't upload, it might be because the size of them is too big. Especially when we use our phones, the cameras are very, very good. So they take very detailed, high definition video. So you might need to compress them. It's very easy to do on a Mac. You're going to use iMovie, or if you're using Windows, you're going to use Video Editor. You can even do it on your phone with an app. And your target size is about 300 to 400 megabytes, and then you should be able to upload them on Blackboard without a problem. So that's the 4 steps that you're going to use to choose your 2 video clips for Task 2.